Meaning of heir presumptive.
Heir presumptive.
Heir presumptive.
Heir presumptive.
Heir presumptive. Heir presumptive refers to a person who is expected to inherit a title, property, or position if the current holder dies or abdicates. The term is used to distinguish potential heirs who have a weaker claim to inheritance compared to those who are considered heir apparent. An heir presumptive holds their position until the occurrence of a specified condition that could change the succession. In some cases, an heir presumptive can become the rightful heir if the conditions set for the heir apparent are not met. It is a legal term commonly used in the context of monarchies and aristocracies.